What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin, and we are here looking at the Volkswagen again today. We got some filming done this week on some stuff, so we're going to jump to that footage right now, and we'll be right back. Okay, so you guys saw what we've been working on, so let's take a look at it. We'll show you a little bit more detail on it. Come around here. So we got this all cut out. Got this whole section cut out, and we replaced all this down here. So we kind of marked where we thought we might have to, but this is actually really thick still. We got one little pinhole right there we gotta fix, but got this all cut out, and we fixed this area. So you can kind of see here where this was patched, and then this whole piece here has been replaced. It came down and then all the way over, and you can see it came down there, and then we brought it all the way up and across. We got the bead put in there, and it looks really clean up underneath. Looks really well. So we got that all fixed. There is supposed to be a nut plate right here. You can kind of see it over there. We still have it. We're gonna leave it like this, and then when the body's done, we'll bring the pan back, put the pan under it, mark that location, because we're gonna have to mark the front hole locations also to put those nut plates back in. But that's where we're at for that. Over here on the table, so this is the new piece. So this is the piece that we cut out of that hole, what's left of it. The Sharpie is just kind of showing you. You can see it comes down, and then it kind of makes a boot shape here, which you can't really tell it on this one, but your bead comes down, and then it has an oval here for this piece to sit kind of back. It recesses back into there. So here's that piece, and this is the new panel that we've been working on, and it's kind of hard to see it in there, but it's gonna go in just like that, and it'll sit right in that bead as it comes down and fill that spot. And we're gonna trim this to fit. We're just working with the big panel, and you can see, so this piece here, it's supposed to sit just like that, and that recesses down into that. So we're really close on there. We still gotta do a little bit of tweaking, but we're close on getting that to fit. You can see just how bad that was, but we're almost there. As soon as that's done, we're gonna tackle this side. And for this side, we're gonna take the whole rail out here. This whole entire rail is gonna come out all the way down through here, same as we did on the other side that you guys saw. And once we get this whole rail out, we'll clean anything up in there that needs cleaned, and then we will start cutting this out. Now this side, there's that nut plate right there that we were talking about. This side's gonna be tricky because it has a lot of rust in here down behind the rocker, but it also comes all the way up here to the top. So we might have to make this side in like 3 pieces, we're thinking. We're probably gonna have to do some of the flat spots, the dimple, and then this up inside here. It'll have to be done in a few pieces. We really don't think there's any way around that. It is what it is. Last video we talked about this front piece, trying the Carmen Gia stuff from a recommendation in the comments. So we bought all that. I don't know when it'll be here, but we did buy all of it. It was $460, something like that. So it's whatever. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, we will use it for making other parts. It's nice to have stuff already pre-bent, so we'll find a use for it if it doesn't work. If it does work, awesome. It'll save us a bunch of time. So that stuff's on the way, but we'll see. But that's where we're at on this. Yeah, I don't really think we have much else for you. I'm really happy with how that bottom turned out. It looks really good. So other than that, guys, that's all I got. You know, keep commenting. We like hearing from you. Keeps us going. And videos have been doing better and better every week. We get more and more viewers. It's nice to see. Kind of keeps us motivated to keep doing this. So other than that, guys, stay tuned. We'll have videos coming every week for you, and hopefully shortly we'll have more than just this car. We're hoping to have more than just the one project going. And we got a couple other projects sitting around waiting, so we're hoping to tackle a couple at a time. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later.